morning. Today I'm going into New Kingston to do business. I am going to run out on the road as per usual. I hope you guys will follow me when I go back, because I realized that everybody that followed me last year when I came after me soon when I moved to Canada, remember I live in Jamaica currently, so I'm not going to get a mixed year. So please do not leave me along the way. Finally in New Kingston. Went to one destination and it was so packed. I decided not to wait because I'd have to sit and I don't know when I would get through. So now we come to Sagicor and the parking is full. First we were in a long line of traffic to come around here and now we still have to wait. I guess they're waiting on cars to come out the parking lot before they can let us in. It's our turn. Good afternoon. Yes.
As soon as one available, get this park. Car park is full.
Okay, no problem. Finally got parking. Oh. See the car park? Full to capacity. Look there. Everybody out doing business today, and this is just for customers. We're going over here. Over here. No, thank you. How long I haven't been over here. This building used to be the LOJ building,
Right.
And they changed it to no, this is what they name it, even though it's Sagicor. The AC meet me at the doorway. Then there's a directory right here, so you can know where to go, what level. Oh, this was the this was where the bank was. Oh, they still have First Global over there. They have a print shop here and a pharmacy over there. Okay. And it goes all the way up. Checking at the information desk to see where to go. Waiting. See the crowd? Waiting patiently. Sleep actively. I don't know if it's because I'm not used to sitting and waiting for service anymore, or it's because I got up early, or it's because it's pretty overcast today and there's the possibility of rain falling, which I don't mind. But whatever it is, this girl is so sleepy. 123, claims officer 01. And there's one person in front of my aunt. We finally made it out. 1 hour and 17 minutes we took to get through. It's a long time enough that I'm waiting in a government, long time enough for waiting in a one business, but we made it. Let's see where we're going next. So that's one thing down.
2 things to go.
2 more things. 2 more places to go. I don't think we're going to make it up to the supermarket. It's 5 minutes to 2. We're going to beat up on the traffic of students, people leaving work and school finish at Immaculate, Queens. Going in a traffic area. Going into the traffic zone. The day nice and cool, and I'm not complaining on my hat. So cool. Still I use the AC though. Oh, I'll need to take out this parking ticket. Okay. See, I guess this is why the parking spot was the parking lot was so full, because there are so many people in there waiting. So many people. But
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, go ahead.
alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, we reached seafood, meats and more. This is on Half a Tree Road going towards Cross Road. Right by Collins Green Avenue at the corner. See if we get some seafood. Afternoon. Do you have fish burgers? Jerk fish? How do you sell it? Like, what do you sell it with?
Fries and juice, 1,060.
Okay, can I have two, please? Juice as in juice, not soda. We got some fish. Call them look good. 3 pounds of fish for $3,000. And not look bad at all. And of course I ordered jerk fish. I'm gonna see what that tastes like. They have natural popsicles already also.